Before I come to the new grounds, I'll just give a brief background, madam, what had happened in this case. Yeah, okay. There's this petitioner. Here is a
Under which section?
madam, this is a case under sections 189(2), 1172, 121(2), 3082, 61(2), 109, 174, and 54. Basically, attempt to murder and assaulting a public servant, my lord, in duty. The lordship would remember this dispute had taken place during panchayat elections, my lord, and yes, my lord, that case. This petitioner, my lord, is a member of.
Why do you want interim bail now?
Not interim, my lord. CD is there, my lord.
Oh, CD is there.
CD is there. This petitioner is, my lord, the member of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and in a minority area, he was a representative of BJP. So that was one of the reasons why there was a lot of discord between him and the members of the other minority community. So during the time of the election, my lord, some dispute took place, and police personnel was also deployed there, and 40-50 people, my lord, and a scuffle took place, and this person, the police personnel, got injured. So this FIR was registered. Last time, my lord, when this bail application was rejected, my lord, at that time, my lord, there are certain materials which were not there, including the injury report, because, my lord, subsequent to the rejection of this bail application, we had filed other regular bail applications, where your lordship, after seeing the case diary, had granted those people, my lord, regular bail. So one of our grounds is, my lord, that co-accused have been granted bail. Another ground is that, my lord, from the last time it was also disclosed during hearing, that the injury which was sustained, my lord, it was not a serious injury, my lord. And thirdly, my lord, this petitioner is also suffering from some health issues, my lord. So we have given that those documents. So, my lord, health issues. Secondly, the injury.
This was, you have new grounds?
These are the new grounds, my lord.
Okay, what do we have? Are there materials against him?
Some materials will be there, because last time also your lordship found some materials and rejected. But new grounds being injury, my lord, progress of investigation.
See, I do not bring out the materials on record so that you may be granted bail in some other place, or maybe by the trial court, or so that is why I do not bring out the materials on record. Otherwise, if there are materials, only then I reject bail.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, I do not reject bail.
Some materials were there. That is why your lordship was rejected. Now, new grounds being, my lord, first of all, my lord, progress of investigation, release of the co-accused persons on bail, and the nature of the injury sustained by the victim, my lord.
No. Government official, what type of nature? What kind of nature do you want? What nature?
Allegation is 109.
He is a policeman. He is going and discharging his duty. Why he should sustain grievous injuries? Simple injury is also
sufficient.
A simple assaulting and simple pushing is sufficient.
Pushing is sufficient.
So, my lord, that is the offense, my lord. Offense will be attracted. The earlier 353 offense will be attracted. We are only seeking, my lord, bail. Trial court will decide what role I have played, and eventually, if found guilty, I will be punished accordingly. My submission is that this is not a case of 109, my lord. If it's not a case of 109, if it's only a case of assaulting a public servant, the punishment is 2 years. Only in the sense, my lord, compared to 109, my lord. Compared to 109, punishment is only 2 years. That aspect, my lord, and progress of investigation, release of co-accused, my lord, and the health condition of the petitioner.
Okay, what do you have?
The materials.
Health condition, my lord, I have given. He is suffering from, my lord, hyperglycemia, my lord, it is high diabetes, acute kidney injury, peripheral neuropathy, and another HTN that I do not know, my lord. HTN, I don't understand that. But these are the health conditions. Only seeking bail, my lord, otherwise will participate in the trial.
Which page? Which page?
My lord, the medical document. My lord, page 29 onwards. 29, my lord, he was admitted in the hospital and then he was released. And then 30 is the certificate by the attending doctor.
What is his name?
Mujibur Rahman, madam. Fire is also of May, my lord. So if investigation has progressed, whatever participation is required, I will participate, my lord.
Where's the FIR?
FIR, your lordship will find that page. Translated copy at page 12, my lord.
And medical documents?
Medical documents, my lord, page 29 and 30. Co-accused bail, my lord, from 31 onwards.
Yes, PP, what do you have to say?
Lordship, regarding their material involvement, that is their lordship, as it is lordship. Earlier, lordship has rejected the
Yes, yes,
material. And the
Victim
injury report,
stated something against him.
lordship,
victim-
that is there. Materials are against him. And regarding medical, that is simple, but lordship has already stated lordship that there is no need of previous injury, lordship. That the last I not lordship may kindly see that part is the development maybe lordship see otherwise lordship there is no new count. That I have not some progress is there lordship that part is there otherwise no new count.
Why is you not submitting the charge sheet since the month of May?
But already actually lordship from the INOT I have come to know lordship that I earlier IO has been transferred to another place, so new IO has come. So that is his opinion regarding that almost it is completed. So he may file it search it from the INOT.
Are they getting influenced?
My lord,
Are they getting influenced? Why these
I
people
don't-
have submitted charge sheet?
so
Since the
perhaps
month of
because
May.
this person is pending, bill is pending, so
Okay.
maybe that may be a reason also.
Hmm?
I don't think they are influenced because if they influenced, they would have filed it immediately so that they could get bail as it is already investigation is almost completed. Yeah, for that. Therefore, materials are definitely materials are intake lordship. Nothing, no new. Nothing.
But they're not submitting charge sheet.
It is ready to submit almost.
Okay, then. Under your objection, considering the ailment and then the injuries,
Sustained by the
by the complainant Digonda Halloy.
Yeah.
He has sustained injuries, no? Simple
Yes.
injuries.
Diganta Hello sustained.
This was not before us when the earlier order was passed,
Now earlier bail was rejected.
but this medical certificate was not before us.
I was not appearing that time, my lord, some other advocate was
I
there.
don't know.
Which is the order?
My lord.
Rejection order.
Rejection order, my lord. Page 25, my lord. Page 25.
I think that medical report was not before us at the time.
Maybe because it is received now.
Our learner counsel Mr. S. Nawaz for the petitioner, Mujibur Rahman, who has filed his application under section 482 of the BNW Children PPC with prayer for bail as the petitioner is apprehending arrest in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. It is submitted that, what is your ground?
My lord, medical ground, my lord. First ground is medical. Second, my lord, progress in the investigation, including release of the co-accused. Third is, my lord, that the nature of injuries which was sustained by the victim, my lord, does not make it an offense under section 109. My lord.
The petitioner has, it is submitted that the earlier bail petition was rejected. And now the petitioner is before this court on change of circumstances, which the petitioner is suffering from serious ailment.
Page 30, my lord.
Annexure
4, my lord.
4.
Starts from 28, my lord.
Annexure 4 says are the medical documents, including the discharge certificate and the certificate relating to the ailment of the petitioner, wherein it is stated that the petitioner was under the treatment of Dr. Afzal A.M. Laskar, who is A.M. Laskar at Nagaon, who has stated that the petitioner is suffering from uncontrolled hyperglycemia, acute kidney injury, peripheral neuropathy and peripheral neuropathy.
HTN, my lord, I do not know, my lord. I tried to find out.
Neuropathy, HTN, since 29/6/2025 to 30/6/2025. It is further submitted that the medical legal report which has been submitted indicates that the victim has sustained simple injuries, which implies that that this cannot be a case under section 109 IP BNS. Full stop. The learned additional PP, Mr. P.F. Lofer, has raised serious objections stating that there are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioner. Full stop. I have also scrutinized the case diary. Indeed, there are incriminating materials against the petitioner. Full stop. I have considered the submission that the petitioner is willing to abide by any stringent bail conditions if imposed upon him. I have also considered the submission that the petitioner is a local resident and he is not a flight fix. So I have considered the submission that all the co-accused,
Not only the arrested co-accused have been gathered.
that the arrested co-accused have been released on bail. Considering all aspects, petition is allowed. In the event of his arrest, the petitioner shall be enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO within 1 week from the date of this, within 1 week from the date of this.
Can you make it 10 days, 3 days holidays are there, so copy may not get, madam. 10 days, madam.
No, she will give you a copy ticket. You appear before 1 week. From the date of this order. Number 2, the petitioner shall appear before the IO on every fortnight till completion of investigation. Number 3, the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which he is alleged. Number 4, the petitioner shall not exercise threats to the witnesses or tamper with the evidence. The petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission. On breach of any of the bail conditions, bail order shall automatically stand cancelled, send back the CD.
I'm deeply obliged.
Yeah, in this case, Lordship, C is submitted, Lordship.
Wait, Mr. Lordship. This is the AB madam, anticipatory bail application, which was filed for the second time on the ground that the wife of the,
Charge sheet has been submitted.
I understand, my lord, therefore I pay that, my lord, this is a case, my lord, which will go to the district judge, the section show, my lord. So in that case, the JMFC, before whom the case is fixed on 19th, my lord, he cannot allow me bail.
Yes, no.
So if your lordship kindly protect me, grants me appearance bail till that time on 19th. So that will protect my case. Lordship, I'll just, we have obtained, my lord, your lordship had, you may recall, my lord, that your lordship directed them to produce the first injury report, my lord, when he was taken for medical examination for the first time, my lord, on the day of occurrence. That was never produced, my lord, but we have obtained the RTI, by RTI, my lord, the report that I would like to place before lordship.
Do we have the CD?
No, Lordship, it is solicited,
Well,
Lordship.
just-
No, no,
your
no,
lordship-
we'll need the CD then.
This is, your lordship can consider it, my lord, because.
No, no, cannot. This is case under 103.
103.
No, cannot.
No, only for persuasive purpose, my lord. Your lordship just, I would like to show, my lord. I have given a type copy as well as the original that was furnished to us, my lord. Your lordship will see the entry, ML 94 8:30 AM. Lalu Gopal Rajbangshi, as your lordship. 30 years, son of so and so, Pakidia, Rota, that is the name of the place. A small abrasion, small cut with the scalp seen near so and so, occipital following fall. So this is the fall, my lord. Your lordship will recall in next morning he had a fall. And then a lacerated wound on the right side of scalp is also seen, and where it is much fresh. So that
No,
injury,
no, no, see, this is under section 103, we have Supreme Court's order also. That, this is an anticipatory bail application. I cannot grant any relief without going through the CD.
it was here.
Let's CD9, CSD.
Charge sheet has been submitted. So if you want to pursue the bail application here, then I will.
May call for the scan copy of the CD.
Only that limited, if you.
No, no, that I
I'm a
cannot.
government servant. I'm a government
No,
servant.
no. That I cannot.
And the co-accused,
This is anticipatory bail.
that is correct. And I am a government servant. And the case is
This
fixed next on
this is an
19th.
offense under section 103.
My lord, in that case, my lord, if I appear on the next day,
No, I cannot.
Even though that is that.
In a very casual manner, I cannot give protection.
That too earlier rejected, Lordship, on the basis of the available material and the material. available.
Whatever report, it can be RTI report or anything report, this. I cannot pass such a casual order. This is
Well,
103. And this is anticipatory.
and the charge sheet also, my lord, we have certified copy of charge sheet with us. And that shows, after completion of the so they have completed the investigation.
No, no, no. See, this is no point actually. I will have to call for the scan copies. If you want to pursue the bail application here,
Yes.
we will call for the scan copies.
Only because he is a government servant, that is why.
That is
No.
not a ground for seeking bail, getting bail.
No.
So custodial.
My hands are tied. My hands are tied. I will have to abide by rules. I cannot bend rules. my hands are tied.
Whether, my lord, they can produce the CD from Rota before 19th, my lord, on any day.
It is because
CD now, we will call for the scan copy.
scan copy of the.
Yes, can go- even that-
Along with the scan
Yes,
copies of the
yes.
CD.
Same thing.
What is this?
No, আমি জানি রেজিস্ট্রি যাব এই না বাবা এসপি
Certificate of charge.
A certified copy. This will not work. We'll have to go through everything. So now, why don't you approach the How many accused persons is from the same family?
From the same family, madam.
So
We arrested
my
accused-
piece of advice is they are from the same family.
Oh.
They are from the same family, so they will appear.
I want to appear, but I am a government servant. If I appear, the London JMFC cannot grant me bail because this is a case for commitment to the district judge, session judge. So therefore, I am praying that your lordship will kindly protect me till appearance, my lord. Limited period. That
See,
much.
if a person dies after,
They never produced before magistrate. There is
if
a
a
complaint
person
file.
dies in,
Custody of the
on the
police.
conduct of a government servant, is.
My lord, that is
he
not
entitled
established,
to
my lord.
bail because
My lord, in my humble
that
submission, my lord.
that person has a hand in his death, allegedly. Because he's
Allegedly.
a government servant.
And there is no specific allegations against this particular accused.
I'm
also.
saying allegedly.
And they say, my lord, it was a public matter. Members of public came.
So, there are all assumptions and presumptions from both sides.
On either side, my lord.
Cannot.
If required, also you can call for the.
Scan copy.
If once.
Learned additional PP, Mr. P.S. Locker has submitted that charge has been laid against the petitioner. Full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. B.D. Goswami, has submitted that the petitioner would prefer to continue with the bail prayer in this court. Call for the scan copies of the trial court record along with the scan copies of the entire CD. Like that, I'll call it like that,
No, it's-
in that manner. Otherwise, you're not getting the
I have not, but
entries of the police from day one, no?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Call for the scan copies of the entire CD. List the matter on 22nd August.
My lord, repeat it, my lord. The next date is fixed on 18, but it may be difficult for to get the scan copies by the time. So,
18 won't be
Yes.
possible because.
Well,
all
and we have
holidays-
got holidays still.
Yes, not be possible. Number 3.
Much obliged. my lord.
May bill. Before it earlier it was rejected, my lord. The new grant in this case, my lord, the
Hmm?
petitioner is subsequently suffering tuberculosis, my lord. And the investigation already almost completed, my lord. And the affair lost incident occurred on 6/3, my lord, my lord.
Where, at which page is the FI?
FR page, my lord. Page 13, my lord. My lord, incident took place on 6/3 and affair has been lost on 10/3, my lord, after 4 days, my lord. And specifically mentioned two
Please
names.
read.
সম্মানপূর্বক দিবেন মিনিত নিবেদন এই যে 6/6/2025 তারিখ ৰাতি অনুমান এত বজাত মোৰ ছোৱালী জেচমিন খাতুন বয়স 30 বছৰ মোৰ ঘৰৰ ওচৰত পুখুৰীৰ পাছত অসুস্থ অৱস্থাত উদ্ধাৰ কৰি জানিব পাৰে যে উপৰোক্ত আসামী দ্বয়ে মানে
I think it was P. Botagu who had asked for time.
he came, but he has some personal difficulty, so he has to leave for home loan. Suddenly he has to leave for home loan.
Okay.
So I'm going to, I could not even finish the judgment itself.
This person is behind bars for 1.5 years. How many years?
2.5 years, 2 years, 8 months.
After
years,
conviction,
8
Lordship, he is,
2 years,
sorry,
8
this is not that he is, this is after conviction.
I know.
After conviction.
2 years,
Lordship,
8 months.
After
I
conviction.
have nothing to show, you know
And it
everything.
is 2B, I think.
Yeah.
2B? No, na?
Lordship,
To
It's
see, Lord.
the,
56 kgs.
huh?
66 kg cannabis.
66 kgs from 2 vehicles.
Whatever it is.
66 kg of what?
4 accused person there.
Of what? What is the article?
It's commercial quantity ultimately.
Ganja?
Ganja, yes. First, it is listed in hearing list on 23/3/2025, Lordship. Since then, it is going on 8 times, Lordship. Today have time, Lordship.
And Lordship, actually, no, these type of cases, Lordship, hearing matters, it is
Only
better to
part
come in a regular basis, Lordship, so that it can be going through
Release
from
it
the morning.
Part heard then.
Because Lordship, if it is
Only
not come
part
in
heard.
regular basis,
Shall I
in
from part heard?
3:30,
Yes, Lordship.
I'll release it from part heard. Let it come on regular bench.
in 3:30, 3:40, if you come here, then we would not go to
So I
the.
can release it, because it is 2024. I'll release it from part heard.
Part, Lordship.
It's a matter of 2024. It's not a very old matter. Otherwise, I wouldn't have released it from part heard.
Yeah, in this court it will be better because
Anyway, this matter may come in this court also. I have no objection. But Lordship, but it should be come in a regular benches when it should be sitting from the morning in regular bench because Lordship, I'm sitting
in
at
regular bench
3:30 court
also,
and we also come from in different
Hearing-
courts and I
hearing
can see
it-
the CD because
Yeah.
Lordship, so many benches are there nowadays. This is some difficulties are also there from our part also. Yes.
roster
Let's say-
কালকে next week নাই ওলোৱা ন?
Next week.
Lordship, fixed a short date with the direction to the PC Lordship.
No point. No point actually.
Lordship,
It must come up in the regular bench because last, I think for continuously since the beginning of this year, I've
if
been
it goes
sitting
to
in
the regular bench,
DB or I'm going somewhere else.
yes, Lordship.
Otherwise I'm in DB or otherwise I'm going somewhere else.
Yes, Lordship. 1/5 it was fixed. Lordship.
From the beginning of this year. And sometimes I'm having civil.
Lordship.
Most of the time I'm having
Civil,
civil.
DB.
Yes, Lord.
They have to have-
So there is, should I
Sir,
release it?
If it go to the new bench, Lordship, so the bench will see from the first time. That's why I want to stay here.
Lordship will also forget the entire thing.
No, but-
Lordship.
Yeah, I'll be again sitting in the
Yeah.
DB next week. I'm sure I'm going to be sitting in the DB next week.
I will argue again.
Then Lordship, in that case, Lordship, আপনি next week দিয়ক না। তেতিয়া হয়তো কোর্টের কোর্ট বহিব চাগে তেতিয়া রেগুলার বেঞ্চত।
Next week
তাৰপিছত-
is postpone নহয় নেকি?
তা যদি হেৰি
প্ৰব্লেম
দিয়ে,
নাই কিন্তু মোৰ এনেকে দিগদাৰি হ'ব তাৰমানে।
civil দিব পাৰি
কৰি
আমি।
সেই 4টা বজাত কোৰ্ট কৰা নহয় হিয়াৰিং আচলতে।
মোলৈ আহি যাব।
হিয়াৰিং কৰোঁতে মোৰো লাগে ন মানুহ।
2 মাহ time পিছত হ'ব।
বুজিছো মই দিনৰ পিছত।
After 2 months.
Maybe after 2 weeks then,
First week of September, then I think probably Lordship will be sitting.
Maybe,
going to- maybe sitting.
maybe there'll be a change in the bench because it won't continue.
Coming, I don't think coming it is going to be changed.
Lordship,
First
my
week
request,
September.
my request not to release from this court.
Okay,
from
okay.
part-
Yes,
No,
yeah.
may keep it part hard person. I have no objection.
First week of September নে last week of August কৰি দিব পাৰি।
Yes, last week, Okay.
হেৰি যদিও মানে পাৰিলে হেৰি নিদিবা, হিয়াৰিং ডেট নিদিবা। তাতে হিয়াৰিং ডেট গোটেইবোৰ লৈ লয়।
this time,
Oh.
Lordship, it is listed after 2 months, Lordship.
I know.
Yes, this time. It was lastly listed on 24/6/2025.
We'll keep P. Bhattacharya's name only here because
Okay.
he knows the case.
He also already
He heard his argument.
If possible, he will come. If not possible, another PP also make
May
argument.
come. Okay, then.
They also I am
yes,
trying to
okay.
go through also. I am not even during the other cases also I am
Lordship,
going
with
to
the
the
direction to the
LCL Lordship.
PP, Lordship.
Actually, I don't want to burden him. He has already taken up two cases.
Yes, Lordship.
Already he has taken up two cases. Then will you go through this case then?
Let
very
it be
difficult.
on PP as he has already gone through what the argument he has made. I do not know actually. I am just going through.
I'll argue
But-
again, no problem.
So Lordship, let it be of P. Bhattacharya, let it be.
No.
Yeah.
No. I don't think so. Learned Counsel Mr. M.M. Rao
MM
is present for the appellant. Learned additional PP Mr. P.S. Locker has submitted for time to go through the trial court records. The learned full stop. Learned Counsel for the appellant has raised serious objections stating that he has already concluded his argument, but this case is pending for argument of the prosecution side for more than 2 months.
Yes, Lordship. More
Is
than
the-
2 months.
Huh?
More than
For more than 2 months. List this matter positively for argument by the prosecution. List this matter as part heard for argument positively by the prosecution on 27th August.
All right, Lordship. If possible, Lordship, may fix a time.
ঠিক আছে ফিক্স করবো সেখানেই করবো
You get it upgraded in the morning. You get it upgraded in the morning.
Lordship.
And then even if we have a bail petition also, then you get it upgraded. If we have bail petition like this, you don't have to wait.
Obliged, Lordship.
Otherwise, these bail petitions also take quite a lot of time.
Obliged.